don't fight against Mother Nature. If you look at nature, on the regenerative agriculture side, it's full of diversity. Nowhere in nature do you find, a monoculture or one thing planted or one way to do things. It's all based on diversity. And through that diversity, it's a community that this plant does something to help that plant, which puts carbon in the soil, which tells the microorganisms to go get me this mineral, which tells, which that mineral goes into that plant, which, an animal bites, creates protein, makes that protein, but that protein's much different than something that you would get at a traditional feedlot or something like that that's been fed grain. Those phytonutrients goes into that animal, and then when you consume that animal, you're basically consuming, you're consuming protein in a meat, but you're also consuming what came out of that soil. This is just a simple example. Say you ate one apple. To get the same nutrients in the 1950s from one apple, you have to eat 6 apples now. Well, that's all come from the soil, because we don't do it the same way. And so I guess that would be the same kind of transition that Dr. John made. He saw that, hey, this isn't you're just basically, in traditional farming, you're just throwing pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, one crop. That's it. Your soil is just basically a medium, and that's not what it was created to be. It's life. Soil is life. Just like, your mouth leads all these other things. I mean, it's life.